Recumbent bikes work extremely well for seniors to be able to stay in shape, maintain good cardiovascular health, and it helps keep them active and doing something. In fact, a recumbent exercise bike for seniors can increase their overall happiness and stave off feelings of loneliness. Exercise is powerful at any age. With seniors, it's important to find the exact recumbent bike that will work for them and their lifestyle. There are many products available to choose from. Best recumbent bike for seniors, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best recumbent bike for seniors from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. The best recumbent exercise bike for seniors comes from Marcy, a brand you'll become familiar with through this post. This excellent recumbent bike has a step-through design to help seniors position themselves with minimal tripping hazards, as well as a bright LCD screen that's actually visible. While the screen is still pretty far away from the rider, it's effective and useful. With a comfortable padded seat, your senior will be able to quickly find their level of comfort and grab onto the side rails to begin their exercise. Crank the knob to change the resistance level. You get 8 levels of resistance built into a magnificently sturdy 14-gauge steel frame, but be careful. Actually making those adjustments takes a lot more tension from you than the bike suggests. Built to last and designed for comfortable, low-impact riding, Marcy simply makes the best recumbent bike for seniors that won't be a detriment to their joints. Number 2. Marcy Magnetic Recumbent Bike. Marcy is on this list quite a bit because they simply meet the perfect trifecta of price and performance. Beyond being an overly amazing machine, this magnetic recumbent bike has a step-through design, so that your senior doesn't get caught or trip while trying to get on or off this recumbent bike. As the best folding recumbent bike for seniors, it includes a lightweight design at just 41 pounds. This works out to be excellent in assisted living environments because it can be picked up and stowed away with no problem. While there aren't any built-in wheels to reposition it, the feet do a good enough job of keeping you stable during exercise. However, those caps do have a bit of a problem. They come off somewhat often from vibrations, so if your senior is using this for an extended period of time, they may run into an issue where the cap slides out and they become imbalanced. It's important to check these before and after every exercise or consider permanently affixing them with glue or another adhesive. Number 3. XTRRA Fitness SB 2.5R Recumbent Bike. XTRRA almost took the first spot as the best rated recumbent bike for seniors. This excellent recumbent bike offers the perfect level of resistance to help your senior scale up to higher workout levels. The 22 pounds flywheel actually gives you 24 different resistance levels, which is something that we just don't normally see in bikes like these. It's all programmed in the LCD screen, so the only hurdle with a senior using this is that they might have a little bit of difficulty navigating at first depending on their age. Otherwise, it's a bright display and shouldn't be too hard to learn. The electronic control over the flywheel means that you won't run into a ton of issues with knobs that just don't want to turn or move. But it's not all perfect. The handles are not a soft touch, so prolonged use by a senior may incur some hand soreness and might be difficult at first. Thankfully, the seat is comfortable and will offer some relief in that area, so it's not like the entire bike is difficult to use. You can't cover up the handles though, because that's where the metal reactor for the heart rate monitor is. Number 4. Sunny Health and Fitness Magnetic Bike. Sunny Health and Fitness isn't known for being the most amazing brand out there, but they certainly have some strong points that we can all appreciate. First and foremost, it's wildly inexpensive compared to a lot of other recumbent bike models on the market. The handles include pulse grips to take your heart rate and monitor it during exercise, and the step-through design is specifically handy for seniors who are trying to regain mobility or have mobility issues. It allows them to move in and out freely, usually unassisted. Sunny Health and Fitness also did an excellent job at making self-leveling foot loops for the pedals. What that means if you never feel like the top of your foot is stuck in the loop, there's no need to panic or pull to release your foot. When you get to the resistance adjustment knob, that's when we run into some problems. The resistance knob is extremely difficult to turn for some reason, so you might want to either help your senior set it to a specific level, or find a way to lubricate it that won't harm the mechanism inside. Number 5. Marcy Regenerating Recumbent Bike. To get a good recumbent bike workout for seniors, you need something that stands up to the test of time. As we've seen from this list, Marcy is the brand that's up to the task. You get 24 levels of resistance right off the bat, all of which are entirely controllable without having a fidgety knob that doesn't want to turn for you. The size is relatively compact compared to other recumbent bikes, but that's not the most impressive part. They were still able to make it a step-through design without compromising on leg space, and that's what's impressive. There's ample space on either side of the rider as well, and the LCD panel top handles don't interfere with your knees while riding. Speaking of the LCD screen, it's time to clear the air. They really dropped the ball on this one, because this LCD screen is among the worst of any we use, partially why it's on the bottom of the list. The brightness washes out the text, so despite having a strong backlight, it doesn't do much for visibility. It's like all the digital text is smudged. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.